everyone, this is my Vlogmas number 1 or day 1. If you're asking me if what Vlogmas means, that means it's actually a tradition for all YouTuber or YouTube blogger to film every day in December, like day 1 to end of December, and this is my first time doing that. So in this video I'm gonna show you how we prepare this Christmas tree in my background, and so there you go. So let's start with Santa Claus and all this houses, Christmas store and house in the cheddar right now. We have this white Christmas ball and all of this. Also, yeah, there's a lot of decoration out there. And here are more Christmas tree, small Christmas tree. And I have this nutcracker. They're so cute, right? So cute. This is Vanya. This is me. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you like this video, and that's just starting it. And so there's a lot of upcoming videos, so you have to wait for it. I hope you like the design of our Christmas tree. We're putting all the gifts over there, and second floor has this decoration. And also our room has also a small Christmas tree, not this kind of not this kind of Christmas tree, but bigger one than this. Same as the Christmas tree right there, but mine is color white. And give me a thumbs up if you like the decoration. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful start of Christmas.
Jingle bell,